Hello everyone, today we want to program a Prima Power punch shear combination. This is very easy with our software, as we support all machine manufacturers. Whether it's a punch shear machine from Prima Power or Salvagnini. But today we're focusing on Prima Power. We select the geometry of this component and specify that we want to program this component with Prima Power. A pure punching machine would also be possible. Let's select an SG. Here we select the system, specify the material and sheet thickness, and program for the shears. That is, we set the technology for internal and external machining. The component is now fully programmed. Of course, you can also change tools at any time by telling the program that I want to program a special tool for a certain corner. Now we want to nest the components. The individual parts are all programmed, which means that in this case, I already have orders for my Prima Power machine. I have a quantity and allow different formats, small, medium, large, and select the nesting. How you want the nesting to be is up to the user. For example, you can place the large parts at the bottom and the small ones at the top, which of course makes sense. We have our components and select the first panel. The first thing we could do here is optimize. The user has said that they want to program the corners individually, which is fine, but we optimize this by saying that we want to combine areas. The software recognizes this automatically and suggests, for example, a larger tool for the surface. This makes the punching process more efficient, faster, and safer. The next step is to sort the tools. And we want to optimize the travel path. Then we set the shearing strategy for the Prima Power fully automatically. The program is now optimally prepared for a punching shearing combination. Here you can see the shear cuts. And now we're done. The programming is relatively simple. We set the cross-sections automatically, but you can intervene manually at any time. Of course, this is all done with the corresponding work paper, so that the machine operator knows which NC program to import. So we generate the work papers with all the technological information. That is which tools need to be set up. In this case, 2 multi-tools and 4 individual punches, and the part is ready programmed for a punching shearing combination.